Hello everyone. Today we're going to learn about input and output in Python. First of all, let's start with print hello world. Now after you've written this, it means that the words inside the brackets and the double quotes are going to get printed out as hello world if you execute the code. Now let's try to move on to input. So let's write a variable called hello equals to. Then after this, we're gonna have to write the keyword that allows us to do the input, which is the keyword input. And then we put a bracket with double quotes again, and we can write anything inside this double quote. So I'm going to write, what is your name? All right. Now, this code, if you execute it, it will ask, and nothing else will run until you finish answering the question. So now let's move on to print hello, which is we're printing the variable here called hello. And what this will do is it will print out the question, what is your name? And it allows us to answer the question from hello. So which is, what is your name? Then after that, we can input our name. Yeah, just like down there. After that, we run our code in the terminal, and we can see that our commands got printed out exactly like hello world and what is your name. So let's enter our name. I'll put in Droopy. Then after that, you can see that the variable hello and the info inside it got printed out. In this case, it was Droopy, and Droopy got printed out back because of our last line of command. And that is it, everyone, about input and output for Python. Thank you for watching my video, and make sure to like if you liked the video, of course.